How do you feel when you see your fellow classmates' big achievements on social media? How do you feel when you get average marks in an exam or fail to win a competition that was really important for you? How do you feel when your parents have a lot of expectations from you and you have many dreams too, but in reality you're average and not able to achieve them? In most of the above cases, an average student compares themselves with others. They're made to feel inferior by society. We're ordinary people living in an ordinary world. We all try to make our way and survive in it, from birth certificate to death certificate. Some were superhumans with an exceptional IQ, while others were the beautiful ordinary people. Not everyone can be an Einstein, Graham Bell, Aristotle. An ordinary apple made an inquisitive mind Newton. That leads me to the ordinary ones again. Ordinary people are an indispensable part of the giant machinery which hold everything together, like a nut in a bolt, or similar to the chocolate syrup that makes the vanilla ice cream taste extraordinary. An average person, you must be thinking, that's just not something someone wants to be. It's basically the worst place you can find yourself in. You're not good enough to be appreciated, and you're not bad enough to not care. So, at today's standards, average is equal to failure. We're constantly encouraged to strive for nothing less than perfection. But the people that make a difference in this world are often the people you've never heard of. It is the average people inventing solutions to day-to-day problems, like how to recycle things, creating DIY platforms from golden flower pots to floating bookshelves. All of our social heroes, such as farmers, army, firefighters, policemen, are average people too, carrying out an extraordinary job, without any name or fame. We all know that Facebook was invented by Mark Zuckerberg, but did you realize that to be an exception, you require a million ordinary simple minds to appreciate your timeless innovation and invention? Oh, I just forgot about the most ordinary person, without whom life would be a misery, without whom there would be no peace at home, and every mother's heart skips a beat in their absence. Yes, it's none other than the neighborhood-friendly, well, not Spider-Man, the housemaid. It's true that an average person does not get recognition like great performers, and our daily life is filled with information of the great performers. But everyone cannot be exceptional, and none of the magazines is going to make a list of average people or their lifestyle. So let's just all accept the fact that even if we don't invent something life-changing, even if we don't own $1 million company, or even if we can't have more than 1 million followers on Instagram, we should try to be the best possible version of ourselves. Because if we stop trying to be the best we can, then what's the point of living, right?